Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are for grade 4 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. Email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, grade 4 math, and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter subtraction. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? Here I'm on right now is subtraction. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is subtraction. Fill in the missing digits. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, type the missing digit. You have to find the missing digit, right? So how do we find? Have to start subtracting the numbers, right? Start from the rightmost digit like we subtract. So you have 8, 6, the missing number 0, minus 7, 1, 0 out of 2, right? That means you need to borrow 1 from here. So when you borrow 1 from here, that makes 10 here. 10 take away 2 is 8. Now you need to think what number is it, right? What number subtracted for 7 makes the answer 4, right? And the one that is already borrowed from here. So 6 take away 2 is 4, right? And you have the one that you borrowed, so that makes it 7. That is 7 take away 2. 6 take away 2 is 4. Then 6 take away 1 is 5. Then 8 take away 7 is 1. So yes, the correct option is 7. You have to answer all the questions then, right? Okay, so we are going to start with questions. So one very important thing, whenever you need help, you simply have to click this live chat button over here, right? You don't have to go to Skype now. That everything is updated now. You can simply click on this button, select the department you need help, and you can find a tutor for you, right? Monday to Friday from 9 to 5, right? Okay, let's missing digit. Okay, let's just find the missing digit. Start subtracting from 9, missing number 3, 4, 1. You have 3, 4, 7, 8, 4. Okay, let's just start subtracting from here, right? You cannot subtract 1, take away 4. You need to borrow 1. You have 3 here and 11. 11 take away 4 is. Then you cannot do 3, 10. You need to borrow 1 again. That would make 13. 13 take away 8 is 5. Again, you have to. You cannot subtract. That means you must borrow 1 from this number, right? So that makes it 12. 12 take away 7 is 5. Now you're giving off the number, what number it is, right? Either it's 4 or either it is 8. So that means that is 8, because if you are left with 3 here, you have 1 from here. So 13 take away 4 is 9. You have 9. Because the system is updated, that's why you can simply contact through the website now. You don't have to go to Skype. That's a bit long process. So now the system is updated, so you can simply contact using the live chat button, right? So please, you guys are here to learn, so please focus on learning. The irrelevant chat you're not allowed to do. That means the correct option is 4, right? Option number 2 is the correct option. Don't share your over here. Okay, the next one is type digit. You have to type the missing digit. So which digit is missing? No one is answering the question I am asking. Which digit is missing? You have 2 here, right? 2 take away what number is 3? 9 it is. You need to borrow 1 and 12 take away 9 is 3, right? If that would be 6, then how you have, you can see this number also. 12 take away 9 is 3. So that means the missing number is 9. Please do not guess the answers, right? Use your notebook and pencil, solve and then answer. The correct option is okay, type the missing digit. So which digit is missing? You have 0 and 9. You cannot subtract 0 out of 9. You must borrow 1. That makes it 10. So 10 take away 9 is 1. The correct option is 1. I think you can check everything at your side, right? Because at my side, everything is working fine. The correct option is 1 is the correct option. Check your microphone speaker, sorry. Check your speaker. Type the missing digit. So which digit is missing? Which is the correct option? You have to find the missing number, right? So you cannot subtract 1 out of any number. That means that must be 11. That must be 11. So 11 take away what number is 5? You cannot subtract, so that means you borrow here. So 11 take away what number is 5? Yes, that is 6. 11 take away 6 is 5. So the correct option is 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. Type the missing digit. So which digit is missing? 4 or 7, which is the correct option? Solve the question in your notebook and then write the correct option. Do not guess the answers. How 8 take away 4 is 0? How 4? 3 take away 0 is 3, right? You not subtract 4 out of it, take away 7. You need to borrow 1 from here. Here you have 7 and here you have 14. 14 take away 7 is 7. Now you could see 0 here. You have four options 4 and 7. That means the correct option is 7 because 7 take away 7 is 0. How? Think logically, right? Solve the question. See which number is missing. Please do not guess the answers. The correct option is 7. Type the missing digits. Which digit is missing? So start subtracting, right? 0 take away 2. You cannot. You need to borrow 1 from here, right? That makes it 10. 10 take away 2 is 8. Now you have two options. You need to see which number. For example, that is 7, right? So you borrowed 1. That means you have 6 here. So 6 take away 2 is 4. Yes, 6 take away 2 is 4. So that means the missing number is 7. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just. The next one is subtract numbers up to millions. So let's just start with the lesson. Let's see how do we okay, let's just start with the test. And okay, you have to subtract, right? So you always start from the rightmost digit. That means the ones digit. Subtracting 1 take away 7, you got 1 take away 7, right? You need to borrow 1. That makes 0 over here and 10 over here. 10 take away 7 is, no, sorry, 11, because you borrowed 1. You have 1 here, you borrowed 1. 11 4, right? Again, you cannot subtract 1 out of 5, so you need to borrow 1. 0 here and 1. Again, that makes 11. 11 take away 5 is 6. Then you have 0 take away 0, that is 0, and 6 take away 2, that is 4. So that means the correct option is 4064, option number. Oh, 10 take away 5, that is 5 over here because you already borrowed 1. That is 4054, option number 2 is the correct option. 4054 it is, option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is subtract. So start with the rightmost digit. 7 take away 7 0. Again 7 take away 7 0. Now 8 take away 2. So 8 take away 2 is, yes, 6 it is. 8 take away 2 is 6 and 6 take away 2 is 4. So the correct option is 4600. Option number 2 is the correct option. The correct option is option number 2. 4600 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, now you have to subtract and write the correct option. 1987 minus 1511. So which is the correct option? Subtract and write the correct option. Which option is the correct one? No one is answering the questions I am asking. That is option number one. Very good. 476 is the correct option. Option number one is the correct option. Very good. Okay, the next one is 2522, take away 25. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is the correct option is option number two. Very good. That is 2497 is the correct option. Option two is the correct option. Very good. Subtract 4926, take away 2486, which is the correct option. The correct option is which is the correct option? Option number one is the correct option. That is 2440. Option number one is the correct option. 6669, take away 4, which is the correct option? The correct option is option number. Yes, option number one is the correct option. 6665 is the correct option. You have to do 9 take away 4, that is just 5, right? The rest of the numbers are exactly same. Okay, the next one is 9201, take away 7706, which is the 7776. So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number. Patterns like this. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, the missing number take away 5 is 4. The missing 50 is 50. Then you have the missing number minus 500 is 400, right? So what number take away 5 is 4? Start with the first one. You can think of the number. What number take away 5 is? That is 9. 9 take away 5 is 4, right? Now you can just see the number of zeros are simply increasing. So that is 90 minus 50, 900 minus 400, and 9000 minus 4000. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Or your school has started. Complete the pattern. Which number is missing? Which is the correct option? The correct option is option number. One is the correct option. 440, 400, and 4000. Option number one is the correct option. Very good. Find, complete the pattern. 5 take away what number is 3? 50 take away what number is 30? 500 take away what number is 300? And 5000 take away what number is 3000? So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number. Yes, option number 2 is the correct option. That is 220, 200, and 2000. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. Complete the pattern. Missing number minus 5 equals to missing number minus 50 equals 20, missing number minus 500 equal 200, and missing number minus 5000 equal 2000. So which is the correct option? The correct option is option 2. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 700 and 7000. Option number 1 is the correct option. The correct option is option number option number 2 is the correct, right? That is 220, 200 and 2000. Option number 2 is the correct option. Not 1, that's 2. Complete the pattern. 8 take away 1, 80 take away 10, 800 take away 100, and 8000 take away 1000. So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number, yes, 1 is the correct option. 770, 700 and 7000. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is choose numbers with a particular difference. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. So you have to select two numbers from this box. Dash and dash have a difference of 86. You need to select the two numbers that when the answer is 86. So which is the correct option? That is, start with the first two number 2, 6, 7 and 88, right? So here you have 86. That means one of the number is 88. So what number is subtracting from 88 to subtract 86? So that is 2. 82, 88 take away 2 is 86. So the numbers are 88 and 2. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. Dash and dash have a difference of 79. So which is the correct option? 79 it is, right? That means the 85 to C for the 85, right? Now, which is the other number that when subtracted from 85, the answer is 79. So that's not 3. Start with 6. 85 take away 6. You need to borrow 115, take away 6 is 9. Yes, the correct option is 85 and 6 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the subtraction sentence. Dash and dash have a difference of 82. So which is the correct option? The correct option is what we are doing again. No, we haven't did this lesson earlier. Okay, so which two numbers have a difference of 82? Please focus on the lesson. Guys, you're just wasting your own time and the others' time. No one is answering the relevant things. That is 86 and 4 is the correct option. 86 take away 4 is 82. So option number 1 is the correct option. Box to complete the sentence. Dash and dash have a difference of 63. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 69 and 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. What do you mean? What do we do? We do this. You have to do the same questions I am doing. So everyone have to be still here. What things I said earlier? The correct option is 69. Take away 6 is 63. Option number 2 is the correct option. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the subtraction sentence. Dash and dash have a difference of 88. So which is the correct option? Which two numbers when subtracted have the answer 88? Which is the correct option? That is 96 minus 8 is 88. The correct option is option number 1. That is 96 and 8. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. Dash and dash have a difference of 7. So which is the correct option? What do you mean? What I am doing again? Which is the correct option? Option number 2 is the correct option, right? 32 minus 95 is 7. Option number 2 is the. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the subtraction sentence. Dash and dash have a difference of 4. Which two numbers when subtracted have the answer 4? Yes, that is 7. Take away 3 is 4. The correct option is 7. Take away 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. Numbers from the box to complete the sentence. Dash and dash have a difference of 86. So which two numbers have the difference 86? Option is 80. That is 88 and 2. Choose two numbers from the box to complete a subtraction sentence. Which two numbers have the difference 12? That is 13 and 1. Okay, you complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 4 math. The chapter we were working on is subtraction. The lessons we have: subtraction, fill in the missing digits, subtract numbers up to millions, then subtraction patterns over increasing place values, and choose numbers with a particular difference. So please make sure the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lid. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact the tutors through the live chat button, right? They are there to help you. You don't have to go to Skype now. Or either you can join me in the interactive session. That would be so that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.